Are you ready to laugh until your cheeks hurt? Because these dogs are about to show you just how hilarious, goofy, and downright crazy our furry best friends can be. These pups are the kings and queens of comedy. Stick around because each clip just gets funnier. And trust me, you won't believe what number 3 does. If you're loving the laughs, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more possum fun, and share this with a friend who needs a smile today. Alright, let's dive in.
But then it also quickly melted. A live look outside right now where we do have some cloud cover.
You say?
Hold on, don't fall off.
Stay.
Oh.